in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Yokosuka River to near Westmoreland State Park to 12 nautical miles southwest of Fairview Beach, moving northeast at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Breton Bay, St. Clement Bay, Westmoreland State Park, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Cobb Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Namini Bay, Nepas Point, Coles Point, United States.
301 Nice Memorial Bridge.
St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Popes Creek, Yokosuka River, and Fairview Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.